Hello, in this video we are going to learn creating subplots. That means how to show several related plots side by side in the same page. So if you look into this graph, observe here, there are three different graphs are there. Okay, one is scatter plot, another scatter plot with hue equal to origin column, and another is a box plot. Okay, how to draw different plots in the same graph. Okay, how to draw different plots in the same graph we will see in this video. Okay, with a simple example. So all the graph we will take the horsepower on the x-axis and acceleration on y-axis to compare both columns here. Okay, we will compare both columns horsepower and axis from the MPG dataset. Just import. For that we have to use two methods here to create subplots. So here figure function. Okay, we have to use figure function to allot space and subplot function to define the location. Means in which location you add the plot in your graph. Okay, to add that particular plot in your graph. Subplot function to define the location and figure to allot space here. Okay, first we have to import the libraries, these both libraries here, matplot library and SeaBorn library, and also import this data set into your program. Just execute it. So here based on this data set we will draw different plots in the same graph using here we take the horsepower column and the acceleration column, and we'll compare both. Okay, we'll find what kind of ratio will between those columns. We'll find what kind of ratio is there between those columns by drawing different plots in the same graph. Okay, first we have to second step and next you have to use this create subplot in a space of 10 into 10 inches. Okay, just plot dot figure. Just first you have to use figure method to allocate size. Okay, figure size is equal to 10 into 10 inches, simple. Okay, 10 into 10, right, we created the 10 into 10 comma 10. Okay, sorry, 10 comma 10 here, right. And next step is just add scatter plot in the grid at 2 comma 1 plot dot subplot method. Here 2 comma 1 means 2 rows 2 columns and location first side. Okay, 2 rows and 2 columns, you know how you rows and 2 columns, and in the first row and first column here. Okay, 1 means first position, 2 means second position, 3 means third position, 4 means fourth position here. Okay, so add scatter plot in the grid at 2.2 comma 2 comma 1 plot dot scatter plot. Sorry, not scatter plot, subplot, right. 2 comma 1 means second 2 rows 2 column in the first position. Okay, so we will draw in the first position just a normal scatter plot. Okay, sns dot scatter plot, right, and take the data here mpg, x-axis take the horsepower. Okay, y-axis acceleration, okay, right. Just execute it now. See here. Okay, acceleration horsepower plot dot subplot here in the first position. If you want second position, use here plot dot subplot 2 comma 2 comma 2. Use another scatter plot here with hue equal to origin, means if you want to see the country wise control V and comma hue is equal to origin, right. Figure equal to figure side plot dot subplot. Okay, simple, everything is good here. sns dot scatter plot. See, observe, first position is a scatter plot without origin, and second diagram is a scatter plot with origin. Okay, different data points has different countries, so you can observe here both are scatter plot. And next we have to draw the graph in third position. So for that you have to use like subplot function. Use second row 2 rows 2 columns and third position here. Okay, third position, and draw box plot here. Simple. Okay, instead of scatter plot, use box plot here. Same one. Box plot shows the graph in the boxes, like boxes. Box plot. Simple. Execute it. Okay, take origin here. Origin x is equal to origin here. Okay, origin. Just now execute it. See, observe here, box plot here. Okay, this is the fourth position. See, 2 rows, 2 columns here. Observe, 2 rows, 2 column. Here 2 to 1 means subplot function. Using subplot function, first position we had a scatter plot, another scatter plot we had done in second position. Here third position here. If you want to draw line plot in the fourth position, just simple use a subplot function. Okay, and this give your fourth position, 2 rows and 2 columns, and fourth position in line plot. Okay, instead of use line plot here, and use here instead of origin, use the horsepower. Okay, observe your line plot. See line plot here. Okay, so 2 rows, 2 column. First position scatter plot, second position scatter plot, third position box plot, fourth position line plot. Okay, so different plots. If you want to draw in the same graph, you have to use these 2 functions, 2 methods. First function is, first method is figure function, and you have to use size here, and second is subplot function. Okay, to these 2 functions you have to use this figure function and the subplot function to draw different plots in the same graph. To draw creating plots means to draw different plots, different kind of plots in the same graph, you have to use the subplot function and the figure function. Okay, so that's about the creating subplots. Next video we will see the heat map.